Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver a lesson for class 11th subject zoology. Today we will discuss about the body fluids and circulation. Body fluids are the liquids produced inside the body of living organisms and include the fluids that are excreted or secreted from the body. In humans, there is a long list of different types of such fluids. The important ones are blood, lymph, bile, CSF or cerebrospinal fluid, mucus, semen, urine, tears, saliva, etc. Now let us discuss about the blood. Blood is the most important type of body fluid in human beings, which performs diverse functions ranging from transport of gases and other substances to defense of the body against diseases. Technically speaking, blood is a fluid connective tissue needed for the transport and pumped by the heart to all parts of the body, then returned to the heart to repeat the process. Now let us discuss about the composition of the blood. As you can see in this sketch, blood is basically composed of two parts, the liquid part known as the plasma and the solid part which is also known as the cellular part or corpuscular part, which consists of cells, and these cells are of two types. Number one is blood cells and number second are the platelets. So far the blood cells are concerned, these blood cells are first categorized into two categories, that is erythrocytes or red blood cells and leukocytes or white blood cells. These leukocytes are further classified into two types, that is the granulocytes and agranulocytes. The granulocytes are further classified into three types, the neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, whereas the agranulocytes are divided into two types, that is monocytes and lymphocytes. Now the cellular part of the blood, also called the formed elements, include blood cells and platelets, and the fluid or the liquid part is called the plasma. Now let us discuss about the plasma. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood and forms about 55 to 60% by volume of the blood, and it consists of water about 90 to 92% and solids form about 8%, which include the plasma proteins. Among these plasma proteins, the important plasma proteins are such as serum albumin, serum globulin, serum prothrombin and serum fibrinogen. In addition to this, this plasma also contains various inorganic and organic components like mineral salts, nutrients and dissolved gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen. So this plasma helps us in the transport of different gases and nutrients in the body. Also it will help us to maintain the pH of the blood, and it also comprises the immunity of the body and also help us in the uniform distribution of the heat in the body. Now let us discuss about the formed elements of the blood or blood cells. These are erythrocytes, leukocytes and platelets. So far the erythrocytes are concerned, as you can see the shape of an erythrocyte in side view, a dumbbell shaped shape of the red blood cell, and this is the surface view. Now these erythrocytes are the most numerous cells of the blood, and the total RBC count ranges from 4.5 to 5 million per cubic millimeter. These RBCs contain actually hemoglobin, which is the oxygen carrying red pigment of the blood, and the normal hemoglobin level in a healthy adult is 12 to 16 grams per deciliter, that is per 100 ml of the blood. Now average lifespan of the RBC is about 120 days, and the dead RBCs are eliminated by the spleen. That is why it is also called as the graveyard of the RBC. So spleen is the graveyard of RBC, wherein the dead RBCs are eliminated. Now, a low RBC count is called anemia, and abnormally high RBC count is called polycythemia. Anemia is caused